Welcome back, lovely people, to another SHEIN video. In today's video, I'll share a code with us you can use on the SHEIN app to get 60% off your order. And you can even get more discounts if you're a new app user. But regardless, whether you're a new app user or an existing user, you can definitely use this code and get discounts on your order. I'll be using the code and then place an order just to show you that this code really works, all right? Just watch what I'm doing. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your cart is empty. Go to your cart and delete everything in your cart, all right? Then the next step is you go to the SHEIN app search bar and search this code, EBKZ6. EBKZ6, all in capital letter, and then click on your search icon. Okay, and you see this page comes up. It tells you that you have 60% off. Okay, if you're a new app user, you might see a pop-up message that you should claim the coupon. Just go ahead and claim it. For an existing user, you might not see the pop-up, but it's automatically already activated on your account. Now, all you need to do is to shop off this page that is being shown to you. Whatever it is you need to buy, just add it to your cart. So I'm just going to add like 4 or 5 random items. Okay, and you can see there's already a discount on this item. I'll just add to cart so that I can quickly demonstrate what I'm talking about. Now I'll add this to cart. The third item, the fourth item, and then the fifth one. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this video. Now I'm done adding 5 items. Let's go to checkout. I'll go to my cart, and of course it also comes with a free delivery. Okay, you should know that. So here are the 5 items I added to cart. Now let's click on this arrow to see how much. Okay, from here you can see that the reference price is €90.71. That's the original price for everything I've picked out, and then there's a reduction of €13. Okay, there's a reduction of €13, and then the selling price comes down to €77.69. Now a promotion is going on maybe on one of the items, on this particular item right here, and there's a reduction of €1.29. The total comes down to €76.40, and then the coupon, of course, is activated. You should know that all this reduction, discounts, and coupon is coming up because I use the code EBKZ6, okay? If you're a new app user, you even stand the chance of having more discounts. But as an existing user, because the account I'm using to demonstrate this is an old account. So imagine what a new app user would get, all right? Now, this is everything that I've gotten, and from €90, I've gotten this whole thing discounted to €61. This is still really. Let me check out and see if the price stays the same. Now, this is my checkout page, and you can see that the shipping is free. I still get to pay €61.40, and I've saved a whole €32.21, all because I used code EBKZ6. You see, it works. I've demonstrated in real time, so hurry now. If you know you want to shop on the SHEIN app, don't just shop without a discount code. You wouldn't want to lose money when you know that you can actually save money on the app. Use the code EBKZ6 to shop on the SHEIN app. And remember, before you shop, make sure that your cart is empty. This is just to make sure that you're able to maximize this discount code. After you delete everything from your cart, then search for the code in the search bar, okay? If a pop-up message comes up, claim the coupon. If it doesn't come up, it's fine. It's already activated in your account. And then just add things to cart and then make your payment. Make sure you make your payment within 24 hours, because after 24 hours, the code is not active. You have to reactivate just by searching the code again and adding things to cart. That's the way you activate the code. And that is it. It's really straightforward and easy. Let me know in the comment section if you use this code, and tell us how much you got as a discount. I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching till this point, and see you in my next video. Bye.